Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I want to start off this video by saying Happy New Year. Hopefully everything was great in 2019. Those goals haven't been achieved. Hopefully you can achieve in 2020 like I am. I was hoping this truck would be finished at the end of the 2019, but as you can see, it's only halfway there. So the goals should be achieved in 2020. Today I'm gonna continue working on this 2018 GMC Sierra, and first thing what I want to do, I want to install this passenger side fender in order to put the lower section of the core support. Then I'm gonna start mounting intercooler, no, actually not the intercooler, the fan, the other stuff that needs to be mounted. Then the core support, and on that core support the transmission radiator gonna be sitting that way. That truck gonna be rollable on its own power. That's my goal for today. Let's see how far we can get. So the biggest dilemma for me right now is to start assembling cooling system and charge pipes and basically this whole front end. And the reason I don't want to assemble it because of this pulley that I need to replace and this plug. So I need to install the belt fan cover. There's a rubber thing. There's another plastic that's over there, and it goes on and on. And in order for me to plug this radiator, here's also the radiator, the cooling radiator goes over here. Those pipes connects there, then they go to the secondary. Everything basically on its way. If you can't install one thing, you can't move forward. If you can't install this, you can do this. And the list goes on and on. In order for me to install the radiator and all those goodies, I need to replace this pulley because then it's gonna be hotter. So, and I can't complete this side because I forgot to sandblast one part. So my plan is right now, I'm gonna jump on the AC pipes that runs over here into the firewall. Then I'm gonna start assembling all the brackets over here. Probably gonna start looking what else can I do over here. If nothing I can do here, I'm gonna jump in on the interior and I'm gonna try to find myself something to do. And that's what you have to do when you're rebuilding. And this build taking you so long, you're forgetting stuff that needs to be done. Anyway, it is what it is at this point. Let's continue do some other stuff. That's it. I assembled everything that I can on this side. ECU is back, the bracket is back. I don't like this gap over here. It's bigger and it's smaller over here. Doesn't sit straight, but I'm gonna work on it later on when I hook everything up to see, because this fender is damaged, as you can see over here. I'm gonna have to fix it, and you can see how tweaked this fender is, or maybe core support, I don't know, I can't tell until I put that bracket on top. But before I can do that, I need to put everything over here. So tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up this plastic piece. That's where all the plugs goes, and hopefully the junkyard will have it, and then hopefully I can get the pulley tomorrow also, either junkyard or a dealer, we'll see. And basically, if I can replace the pulley, I can start assembling everything over here. And also I need a couple hoses that goes from here to radiator, and I need to fix this plastic bracket that goes on this radiator and then bolts into the core support. Other than that, it's almost done. That bracket is painted. Oh, that's the bracket. See, this is the melted one. Opens, slides in like this and just bolts in. And not a lot left. I need to sandblast this bracket, and what else? Something else I need to, oh, because I don't know what's taking dealers so long to get the grill mounting. I have the one from the burnt, it's slightly damaged. Probably gonna sandblast that one, so that way I don't have to wait if tomorrow it's not gonna come. And also I need to mount this module to the body. I need to cut those pins out, make a new pins there, and mount it. If I'll have everything that I need tomorrow, this front end gonna be completely done. I'm not talking about the fenders and outside stuff. I'm talking about everything in the engine bay, radiators, core support, and all that good stuff. But now I think what I should do is sandblast those parts that needs to be sandblasted. That way I can paint them tomorrow, or actually today. So that way tomorrow I can install them. I will put them next to a heater and they will get cured real fast. Hopefully I'll be done with this truck by February 1st. I need it done faster because I have other projects needs to be done, and they're currently waiting on me, and I can't do anything until I finish this one. Actually, Ford needs to be done also, which not a whole lot left. I got all the parts for the Ford. All I need to do is just what's under the bed, paint it, install it, and put everything back together. Now let's start sandblasting. That's it, I finally done sandblasting. As you can see, I made this little room over here so the sand doesn't go everywhere. The parts are sandblasted, they're ready to be painted. I'm not gonna be painting today. Time is, what is it? 9:50. Took me 3 hours to sandblast those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. They're not big, but the gun is not big also, and plus I had to collect the sand from the ground and reuse it. I still have to sandblast this grill mounting, and as you guys remember in the previous episode when I was disassembling burn truck, you can see this top section is damaged. It's inside, so I'm gonna have to pull it out. If dealer haven't received new one, you can see this one is kind of bows in, so I'm gonna have to fix it if it still haven't came in, because I want to put the front end together. Other than that, everything coming along pretty good. Of course, one thing stops another thing, and can't do third thing and fourth thing because of this situation over here. I can't put this because of that, and can't put that because of that, and you know, that's how it is. It is what it is. Tomorrow my plan is go to junkyard and get all those parts. Hopefully all those parts gonna be available that I needed, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be done with the front end. Actually, probably not. We'll see how long those parts gonna take him to cure. I'm kind of thinking to use spray paint, but we'll see. That's gonna be tomorrow. Thank you guys for stopping by. As usual, like if you like it, comment down below your thoughts, and if you haven't subscribed, do so. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you next one.